Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy the Bearded Biker with Moto Nation USA, and today I'm talking about essential gear. What kind of essential gear am I talking about? Stick around and find out.
Whether coming or going, Moto Nation USA, always
All
on
right,
the road.
it's Texas and it's hot and it's humid, and you're going to want to make sure when you ride in these hot, sunny, humid days that you keep your body cool and you stay hydrated. How can you do that? Well, they make gear for that. This right here is a special piece of equipment called a cooling vest. Put it on like this and you get it wet. And you ride along. As the wind hits the wet vest, it keeps the body cool. Pros and cons. While it keeps the body cool, it does get your shirt damp. It doesn't get it soaking, sopping wet, but it does get it damp, so you got to kind of, dry out a little bit. That's the con. Pros, it keeps you cool. Couple of ways to handle it. If you're going to go in a super hot day, I recommend that you put it in water the night before, put it in the freezer. Freeze it. That's right. It'll go on, it'll crunch and crinkle a little bit, but it will go on your body. If you were able to, on your bike, carry a Ziploc bag full of ice water. Every time you stop to get gas, put it in the ice water. Unlock the Ziploc bag, put it in there, let it get saturated, gently wring out the excess moisture, put it back on. Super nice. If you're going to if you don't have the capability of carrying a Ziploc bag, maybe you're worried about that water getting in your saddlebags because it will get in there, get messed up. Maybe you're carrying some sensitive equipment, electronics or something you don't want to get wet. Whenever you go to get gas, go into the restroom and use tap water. While it doesn't work as good with tap water and it dries out a little bit faster, it doesn't keep you as cool, it does work. For people who wear all the gear all the time, wear this cooling vest underneath your jacket. It will keep you cool. I'm Jimmy with Moto Nation USA, and I hope to see you on the road. Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy the Bearded Biker with Moto Nation USA, and I'm talking about essential equipment for touring. What am I talking about? Stick around.